Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm the author of many books on how to draw, including this new one, Drawing Cartoons from Numbers and Letters. And so today I'd like to show you how to do it. It's just fun because it's creative. Anybody can do it. And it gets you thinking. How to draw a bear from the number 7. Usually we don't think about a bear when we draw the number 7, but from now you always will. Anyhow, let me put this over here and we can get started and have some fun with this, okay? So let's start with that number 7 right here. There is a 7 like that. Does that look like a bear to you? Oh, it looks like a bear to me. Let's start with a round nose, like so, like that, and we'll have it come down to his tummy. That is his tummy. Oh yes. Oh yes, that's his tummy, because this is the front of his face. Starts like this, comes all the way back. We'll do the outline first. Now watch what happens here. You'll see it come together. Here's the back of his head, like this, and there. There is his back, his front, and his ears. This is all off the number 7. Now we haven't finished yet, and I'll darken it when we finish, because that'll be fun. And, well, he's, the one I showed you has eyes closed. We'll make a variation. We'll do some eyes open for this one. One eye here, one eye here, and pupils kind of floating in the middle, which is kind of a cartoony look. And let's bring the mouth down here. And we'll float the eyebrows above him, like this. I think I'd give him a little open mouth smile. A little inside of the ear like this, and we'll bring the arm up. I mean, it's all from that number. It's fun, isn't it? All of them are like that in this book. I'll show you the cover at the end. But here, let's start this way. We'll first do the eyes. Bring them close together, but don't touch. And the pupils floating the same way for each one, not one over here, one over. Very important they go in the same direction. Now let's go and put that circular nose in there. I don't know why I call it a circular nose. I should actually call it a circle, but maybe I just like the extra syllables. I don't know. All right, a little crease for the smile, and the mouth starts pretty close to the edge of the face. And comes around like this. Nice big round lower lip. It's nice and simple. And some teeth, a row of teeth here, and a row of teeth here. Not fangs, not sharp teeth, just like this. This is kind of funny. You don't expect that on a bear. Let's bring the snout back, and instead of showing a forehead, we'll make it go straight all the way through. That's just not what a bear is, but we're not making a bear. We're making a cartoon bear. So you can play with this and have fun with it and give the viewer something that they think is funny rather than something that they think is sort of real. All right, let's bring this guy here, the arm, bend it, bring it forward, and this sort of, for a bear, I like to make sort of a sharpened mitten for the arms. It's kind of funny. And here is the back. It's kind of round, and the front is kind of flat. Let me just erase this. Okay. And some short eyebrows. Now, if you're going to have the eyebrows floating above the eyes, they need to be as close as possible. So they shouldn't be here, and they should never cross over the black line here. It gets tough to read. I mean, if you do it, you're not going to get a ticket, but you don't want to do it. Okay. And a couple of whiskers, surprise lines. How about the interior of the mouth and a little tongue right in there, just to give it a little depth. It helps. And I will just shade the inside of the ears. Maybe a little finger or two. And there we go. There is your bear from the number 7. Just like this, except we play with the eyes, made them a little different, but it's all sorts of fun like that. The book is called Drawing Cartoons from Numbers and Letters. Hope you check it out. And I also want to thank you for joining me today. So please subscribe. I have new videos uploaded every week, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.